Hello guys, so it's my sister's visiting day at her boarding school, so I decided to get ready with you guys. The first thing I do is apply my face cream, the normal morning routine, and just my sunscreen. I apply both together because that's how I normally do it. I just put them together, put everything, blend everything together, and it goes well, trust me. So this is the first outfit I got my hands on, and it's a skirt and blouse, and these are the patterns I'll be wearing it. So I just tried on the outfit, and I think I'll be doing with this. The next thing I'll be doing is to apply my lips. Well, I do not want to apply makeup because it's just a visiting day. Trust me, you do not want to go out there and look like a clown all dressed up. So I will just apply my lip gloss and gel my hair, my eyebrow, my eyelashes, and keep it simple, guys. It's just a visiting day. We do not want to look crazy. Now it's time for the jewelry. I got a matching jewelry that goes with the clothes, all red. So I'm about to apply to wear my earrings now, and the next thing I'll be wearing is my bracelet. The next thing is the necklace, but I do not want to wear that. Now for the final touch is my perfume, spraying them on, trying my veil, putting it on, and my matching handbag. I so much love this bag. And guys, that's all. Thank you for watching, and I'm good to go. Well, that's my aunt, by the way.
Here are some of the pictures I snapped before leaving the house. Thank you guys, and please press the like button.